Hello students, I am Deepak sir and today we have to study standard 5th math chapter 3rd how many squares. Okay, before your first unit test we have to study up to page number 43. Up to page number 43. Okay, and in this chapter we study how to find the area, of shapes. Okay, in first part we studied how to find the area for that stamps. Also here they can use us footprint of tiger. Okay, that also we also studied. Okay, so today we have to start here page number 44. Okay, so all students open your book page number 44. I can read, you can listen carefully. Here they can use the third question. Here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeter. Okay. See in your book page number 44. They can show here 20 squares, 20 small squares. You can count that squares. Okay. That small squares are 20. So their area is 20 square centimeter. So their area is 20 square centimeter. Okay. See what is the questions are there. A. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal triangles. Two equal triangles. What is the area of each of the triangles? Here, see, I will draw here one line. Okay, see in this book, I will draw here one line in cross. In cross, I will draw here one line. Okay, therefore that rectangle, this is one rectangle. Okay, that area is 20 square centimeter. Okay, that rectangle is divided into two parts. Which two parts? See, this is upper part is 1 and this is 2. Okay, these two parts are there and these two are triangles. Observe that shapes. These two shapes are triangles. Okay, and what is the area of that triangle? Correct, that is 10 square centimeter. 1. Okay, for one triangle the area is 10 square centimeter. For that second also their area is 10 square centimeter. Why? Because we have to divide that rectangle into two equal triangles. Therefore their area is 10 square centimeter. Okay. So see next one. Question number B. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. What is the area of each of the smaller rectangle? How to do this? See, once again I can repeat this question. Draw a straight line in the rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. आपको क्या करना है? आपको जो रेक्टेंगल दिया है उसमें एक लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. उससे क्या हो जाएगा? वो जो रेक्टेंगल है वो टू इक्वल रेक्टेंगल्स में डिवाइड हो जाएगा. तो आपको क्या करना है यहाँ पे? सीधा आप ऐसे हॉरिजॉन्टली भी लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. अदरवाइज आप क्या कर सकते हो? बीच में. See here, these are in one line there are 10 squares. So after 5 squares you can draw one line. Here see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can draw here one line. Like that you can draw here one line. Then what happens? That big rectangle divided two rectangles. See, this is one rectangle and this is two rectangles. Okay? That divided two rectangles. Understood? Next one. What is the area of each of the smaller rectangles? That big rectangle is divided into two equal rectangles. So what is the area? You can divide 20 in two parts, means 10 plus 10, means area for the small rectangle is 10 square centimeter. Okay. Next one, C. Listen. Draw two straight lines in this rectangle. Draw two straight lines in the rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangles. I will show you. See here. See that in your book they can show like this. Okay, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In one line there are 10 squares. So in two lines there are 20 squares. So what is the area for this rectangle? That is 20 square centimeter. That is 20 square centimeter. Okay. And here on the question number C, they can told us we can divide this rectangle. We can divide this rectangle in one rectangle and two equal triangles. One rectangle and two equal triangles. See, once again I can read that question. Listen carefully. Draw two straight lines. Draw two straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangles. Okay, see here, I will draw that line. See, first I can divide it into half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will draw here one line. See, like this. I will draw in dark. Okay, so that rectangle is divided in two parts. This is one line finished, then only one line is remaining. So for second line I will draw like this. Second line I will draw like this. Okay, how many lines I will draw here? This is one and two lines. Okay, then what happens? Here forms one rectangle. This is rectangle C. I will show you. This is one rectangle and here forms two triangles. Two equal triangles. Two equal triangles. What is the area for this rectangle? We can count squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Area for this rectangle is 10 square centimeter. And what is the area for this triangle? Two equal triangles. See how many squares are there in this rectangle? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, total 10 squares are there. And the 10 squares divide in two parts. 10 squares divide in two parts. So what is the area for triangle? That is 5 square centimeter. And this is also 5 square centimeter. So see, when we have to add all this, we will get 20. 10 plus 5 means 15. 15 plus 5 means 20. So what is the area of big rectangle? That is 20. So you are correct. Okay. Next one, here they can use us next questions. I can read, listen carefully. What is the area of rectangle? What is the area of rectangle? And next question, what is the area of each of the triangle? What is the area of each of triangle? Okay, here they can show here one picture. Here they can show here one picture, and for that picture you can find the area. Find the area of rectangle, also find the area of triangles, two triangles. Okay, you can find that. That is very easy. That is very easy. Why? Because this is only one square. This is only one square. So for these two you can find the area. For rectangle also two equal triangles. Understand? Okay. Next one, puzzles with 5 squares. Puzzles with 5 squares. Measure the side of a small square on the squared paper on page number 45. As many shapes as possible using 5 such squares there are drawn for you. See here on the page number 45. You can see page number 45. On this page number 45, they can show here one square sheet. Okay, and on that they can show here some shapes. Okay, and what is the area for that shape? That is 5 square centimeter. That is 5 square centimeter. Why? Because in that shape you can count squares. How many squares are there? There are 5 squares are there. So what is the area for that square? That is 5. That is 5. Okay. So like that shape you can draw there. Like that shapes you can draw there and find how many you can draw. Okay, see here, I will show you. I will draw here some shapes. See, like this. See one, this. Okay, I will draw here some shapes. Okay, different shapes. Okay, you can find different shapes, but their area will be 5 square centimeter. That is only one condition. What is the condition? Their area will be 5 square centimeter. ओके, आप जब भी वो शेप ड्रॉ करें उसका एरिया कितना होना चाहिए? 5 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर ही होना चाहिए, ध्यान में रहे. ओके, फॉर दैट दे कैन यूज अस क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. आई कैन रीड दैट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट शेप्स कैन यू ड्रॉ? जब आप ड्रॉ करोगे तब ये आंसर लिखिए, मैं नहीं बताऊंगा. व्हिच शेप्स हैज द लॉन्गेस्ट पेरीमीटर and how much dot centimeter. Okay, first you can find first you can draw all the shapes in that square sheet. Okay, and then solve these question answers. Okay, longest perimeter means for all the shapes you can find the perimeter, and in that perimeter which one is the longest means which one is the greatest, you can write there. Okay, also question number C. Which shapes has the shortest perimeter? How much? उसमें से shortest perimeter कौन सा है देखिए और वो वहाँ पे लिखिए. Fourth question. What is the area of the shape? Dot square centimeter. That's simple. Okay. Here they can show here one picture, and for that picture they can ask area. What is the area for that shape? That is 5 square centimeter. Why? Because there are 5 squares. Because there are 5 squares, so area is 5 square centimeter. That is very simple. Okay, so we can go for page number 46. You can open page number 46. Did you get all the 12 shapes using 5 squares? Here they can use a solution for that page number 45. Okay, मैंने आपको बोला था करने के लिए, शेप्स ड्रॉ करने के लिए, उसका ही सोल्यूशन उन्होंने यहाँ पे दिखाई. देखिए, दिस इज द सोल्यूशन फॉर दिस वन. ओके, डिड यू गेट ऑल द 12 शेप्स बाय यूजिंग 5 स्क्वायर्स? आपको ये शेप्स मिले क्या, ऐसे पूछे. सी हियर दे कैन यूज दिस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दैट स्क्वायर शीट. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लिसन केयरफुली. All 12 shapes are arranged here to make a rectangle. उन्होंने जो shapes arrange किए वो कैसे किए देखिए, उसके बीच में कहाँ पे भी आपको गैप नहीं दिखेगा. ओके, वैसे उन्होंने वो shapes arrange किए. They can arrange to make a rectangle. उससे क्या बना हुआ है वहाँ पे? Rectangle. This is a 10 multiplied by 6 rectangle. 10 multiplied by 6 rectangle. वैसे उन्होंने क्यों लिखा हुआ आगे दिया है देखिए. 10 multiplied by 6 as there are 10 rows and 6 columns. उन्होंने 10 multiplied by 6. Why they can use this here 10 multiplied by 6? Because there are 10 10 rows. There are 10 rows and 6 columns. You can count in this picture. Okay, here how many rows are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 rows are there. And how many columns are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 columns are there. So here they can write 10 multiplied by 6. Okay, next you will be surprised to know that there are more than 2000 ways in which these shapes make 10 multiplied by 6 rectangles. How many ways? 2000 ways you can make that. Okay, next one. Draw all the 12 shapes on the sheet of the cardboard and cut them. आपको क्या करना है, उन्होंने जैसे शेप्स ड्रॉ किए वैसे ही आपको क्या करना है, शेप्स ड्रॉ करने कार्ड शीट के ऊपर और उसके बाद वो क्या करने, कट करने. Try to arrange your 12 shapes in the some other way to make 10 multiplied by 6 rectangle. Could you do it? आपको ये करके देखना है. आपके लिए एक्टिविटी, आप घर बैठकर कर सकते हो. आपको सिर्फ किसकी जरूरत है, कार्ड शीट की. ओके, बाय यूजिंग कार्ड शीट आपको क्या करना है, सेम ऐसे पीस लेना है। फॉर एग्जांपल स्क्वेयर्स, स्क्वेयर्स करते समय ध्यान में रखिए सभी साइड्स इक्वल होनी चाहिए। आप 1 सेंटीमीटर ले रहे हो तो सभी साइड्स 1 सेंटीमीटर होनी चाहिए, 2 सेंटीमीटर ले रहे हो तो सभी साइड्स 2 सेंटीमीटर होनी चाहिए। ओके, वैसे स्क्वेयर्स बनाइए, ऐसे 10 स्क्वेयर्स, ऐसे 6 स्क्वेयर्स, ऐसे शीट बनेगी और उसमें आप क्या करो, कलर करो, हर एक शेप्स को डिफरेंट कलर करो और उसके बाद उसको कट कर दो। ओके, देन यू कैन रीअरेंज दैट। आपको फिर से वो क्या करना है, रीअरेंज करना है, सब मिक्सअप करना है, सभी शेप्स मिक्सअप हो जाएंगे। उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, फिर से वो रीअरेंज करना है। कैसे रीअरेंज करना है, जैसे उन्होंने बताया वैसे 10 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6 मींस 10 रोज एंड 6 कॉलम होनी चाहिए। अदरवाइज 6 रोज और 10 कॉलम हुए तो भी चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। ओके, और आपको एक करके देखना है। ट्राई अनदर पजल्स। You have to make a 5 multiplied by 12 rectangle. 5 multiplied by 12 means वहाँ पे 5 रोज होंगे एंड 12 कॉलम्स होंगे। ऐसे आपको रेक्टेंगल बनाना है। With these 12 shapes, there are more than 1000 ways to do it. If you can find even one, that's great. Okay, ये भी आपको करके देखना है। Okay, activity. Next one, page number 47. I can read. Listen carefully. Game time. Here is the chessboard. Play this game with your partner with one set of 12 shapes. The first player picks one shape from the set and puts it on the board covering any 5 squares. The other player picks another shape and put it on the board, but it must not overlap the first shape. Keep talking turns until one of you can't go any further. Whoever puts that last piece wins. आपको क्या करना है, जैसे आपने इसके पहले देखा, आपको क्या करना है, पीसेस बनाने हैं। ओके, जो आपने पीसेस बनाए थे और जो आपको यहाँ पे शीट दी है, चेस बोर्ड का जो शीट होती है उसके ऊपर आप एक एक करके रखते जाना है। ओके, और जो लास्ट पीस रखेगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, इसमें विनर हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट वन, मेक योर ओन टाइप। रिमेंबर the flower patterns in Maths Magic Book 4, page number 117 and 119. You had to choose the correct type which could be repeated to make a pattern so that there were no gaps left. ओके, आपके पास 4th स्टैंडर्ड के मैथ्स बुक होंगे, उसमें आप ओपन करके देख सकते हो। हमने मैथ्स में 4th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ा है, पेज नंबर 70, 117 एंड 119 पे पैटर्न चैप्टर पढ़ा है। ओके, वो आप थोड़ा सा ओपन करके देख सकते हो। See on the next page, page number 48, they can give the some patterns, flower patterns, tile patterns. Okay, Ziri went to shop and was surprised to see the different designs of tiles on the floor. Aren't these beautiful? Yes, these are very beautiful flower patterns. Can you find the tile which is repeated to make each of these flower patterns? Circle the tile in each pattern. आपको क्या करना है? You can observe these flower patterns. Observe these flower tile patterns. Okay? And उसमें कौन सा shape और कौन सा design repeat हुआ है? For example, first pattern है, देखिए उसमें horse का picture दिखा है, वो horse का picture बार-बार repeat हुआ है, तो आपको क्या करना है, उस horse को you can circle that horse. Like that you can do for that 3 tiles. Okay? See, after looking at the pattern, Ziri wanted to make her own yellow tile. You to make a tile this way. आपको टाइल्स कैसे बनाना है वो उन्होंने नीचे दिया है, देखिए मैं इन शॉर्ट रीड कर रहा हूँ। Take a piece of cardboard of thick paper, draw a square of side 3 cm on it. आपको क्या करना है, 3 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स उसकी लेंथ। फॉर एग्जांपल मैं आपको यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करके दिखा रहा हूँ। कार्डशीट में से आपको क्या करना है, पीस निकालना है। कैसे, कितना सेंटीमीटर होना चाहिए? फॉर एग्जांपल ये 3 सेंटीमीटर, वैसे ये 3 सेंटीमीटर, 3 सेंटीमीटर एंड 3 सेंटीमीटर, ऐसे आपको एक पीस निकालना है। कार्डशीट में से ऐसे पीस निकालना है, उसके सभी साइड्स क्या होनी चाहिए? 3 सेंटीमीटर होनी चाहिए। मींस दिस इज अ स्क्वायर, दिस इज अ स्क्वायर, ओके, of side 3 centimeter on it. Step 2, draw a triangle on any one of the sides of this square. आपको क्या करना है, उसके दूसरे साइड में आपको क्या करना है, एक ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ करना है। उन्होंने लिखा है, देखिए, draw another triangle on the same side on the another side of the square, but this time draw it inside the squares. Cut this shape from the cardboard. Your tile is ready. What is its area? अभी आपको क्या करना है, देखिए, वेरी सिंपल है, ओके। मैं ये थोड़े से हमारे मेजरमेंट से मैं रफ कर रहा हूँ। What we do? Okay, this all the sides are equal. Okay, first I will do here one triangle. Here I will draw here one triangle. Okay, and what we do? We can cut this triangle. हमको क्या करना है, ये ट्रायंगल यहाँ से कट करना है। जो मैंने अभी ये ड्रॉ किया है, ये आपको क्या करना है, इरेजर, बाय यूजिंग इरेजर यू कैन कट दिस ट्रायंगल एंड यू कैन पुट हियर। क्या करना है आपको, यहाँ से वो कट करना है, मतलब ये निकल जाएगा यहाँ से, ये यहाँ से निकल जाएगा, ओके, और यहाँ पे आके वो आपको रखना है, ओके। तो ये आपके क्या होंगे, फ्लोवर पैटर्न, ये आपका क्या है, फ्लोवर पैटर्न। ये देखिए, मैंने यहाँ पे बीच में जी लाइन निकाल दी, तो आप ये फ्लोवर पैटर्न बन जाएगी। ऐसे आप डिफरेंट फ्लोवर पैटर्न बना सकते हो। यू कैन ड्रॉ डिफरेंट और डू डिफरेंट फ्लोवर पैटर्न्स बाय यूजिंग कार्डशीट, ओके। आप घर में ट्राई कर सकते हो। बट यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है, देखिए, उन्होंने लास्ट में क्वेश्चन दिया है, व्हाट इज इट्स एरिया, व्हाट इज इट्स एरिया। हमने बाहर से ऐड नहीं किया, हमने क्या किया, यहाँ से वो ट्रायंगल निकाला और यहाँ पे पेस्ट किया, यहाँ से निकाला यहाँ पे डाला, ओके। सो एरिया उसकी वही रहेगी, कौन सी? फर्स्ट वी कैन टेक दैट स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर दैट इज, व्हाट इज द एरिया फॉर दिस स्क्वायर? देयर साइड इज 3 and 3. हाउ टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर? I will write your formula. Area of square. Area of square is equals to side multiplied by side. Side multiplied by side. Also you can write side square. Also you can write side square. Okay. What is the area of? What is the length of side? That is 3 centimeter. That is 3 centimeter. Okay. So you can do 3 multiplied by 3. Otherwise you can do 3 square. Okay. That is 9. That is your answer? No, this is not your answer. You can write here unit square centimeter. So this is your answer. What is the area for this one? This sheet, square sheet, that is 9 square centimeter. Okay. So see on the next page, last page. Make the pattern using tile. Trace the shapes to repeat it on the page. But remember, there must be no gaps between them. Ziri made a pattern using yellow tiles. You know the area of her tile. Answer this. How many tiles has she used? Okay. See these patterns. Okay. How many tiles she can use? I will show you. See. This is 1. This is 1 tile. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So how many tiles she can use? 12 tiles. So you can write their answer 12. Your answer is 12. Okay, next question. What is the area of the flower pattern Ziri has made here? आपको पता है उन्होंने जो स्क्वायर शीट कार्डबोर्ड ली थी, उसकी एरिया कितनी है? 9 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर है। ओके, ऐसे उसको कितने लगे होंगे? 12 शीट्स लगे होंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि उन्होंने वहां पे क्या यूज किया है, 12 टाइल्स यूज किए, 12 टाइल यूज किए, करेक्ट. So what is the area for this shape? What is the area for this shape? What is the area for the floor pattern? इस सबका एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? आपको क्या करना है? सिंपली I will show you area of one tile. Area of one tile, that is 9 square centimeter. The area of one tile is 9 square centimeter. And how many tiles she can use there? 12 tiles. So area of 12 tiles. Area of 12 tiles. How to find this area? You can multiply this 12 and 9. 12 multiplied by 9 means your answer is 108 square centimeter. That is the area for that floor pattern. What is the area? 108 means 108. That is the area for that floor pattern. Okay. Last here they can use as practice time. Jiri tried to make some other tile. She started with the square of 2 centimeter side and make shapes like this. Look at this carefully and find out which of these shapes will tile a floor without any gap. Discuss what is the area of these shapes. ओके वहां पे उन्होंने ए बी सी डी ऐसे 4 हमको दिखाए, देखिए. ओके इसमें से which are the floor patterns, कौन से हो सकते हैं फ्लोर टाइल्स, कौन से हो सकते हैं? उसमें से सी और डी सिर्फ हो सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ए और बी क्यों नहीं हो सकते? बिकॉज व्हेन वी हैव टू अरेंज दैट देयर इज अ गैप बिटवीन देम. आप एक कार्डशीट के ऊपर कट करके भी कर सकते हो. ओके आप क्या करो, एक कार्डशीट के ऊपर आपको जो शेप्स दिखा है, दे कैन शो हियर ए बी सी डी 4 शेप्स. यू कैन कट ऑन द कार्डशीट पेपर एंड यू कैन अरेंज. आप अरेंज करके देखिए वो उसमें गैप रहता है क्या. ओके फॉर एग्जांपल ए के आपने 4 शीट्स बनाए, 4 टाइल्स बनाए, वो अरेंज करके देखिए उनके बीच में गैप रहता है क्या. 100% उनके बीच में गैप रहेगा. So these are not floor patterns. A and B, these are not floor patterns. Why? Because there is a gap between them. And C patterns or tile C and D. Okay, जो आप वो अरेंज करेंगे ना उसके बीच में गैप नहीं रहेगा. So therefore these are floor patterns. Okay. See, make design in your copy by tiling these shapes, those shapes. Now you create your own new tiles out of a square. Can you do the same with a triangle? Try do it. आपको क्या करना है, ऐसे डिफरेंट टाइल्स फ्लोर आपको क्या करना है, ड्रॉ करके देखने. कार्डशीट के ऊपर आप ड्रॉ करके भी देख सकते हो. ओके टुडे वी हैव टू स्टडी पेज नंबर 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 and 49. Okay, today's our chapter is over here, so you can solve here all the question answers in that book, in that chapter. Okay, all of you understood? Okay, thank you students.